If you have summer bearing raspberries, early spring is the perfect time to prune. Here's exactly when and what to cut.
So take this plant here, for example. So this right here, if you see the grayness to it, this is what Kane had the raspberries on last year. So this one is called deadwood. So you want to cut the deadwood canes right at the base and get rid of those. So on this plant there is several canes, and I'm just gonna get rid of all of the deadwood canes. You can kind of tell which ones will be the deadwood because if you follow it up, you'll typically have little branches coming right off of there. So I'm just gonna get rid of all those canes. So then it leaves you with, there's one more here. So then it leaves you with a few of these ones that have little buds. These are the ones that are going to grow the raspberries on them this year. So these ones you do not want to cut back to the ground at this point because you're not going to get raspberries at this stage if you do that. However, because you can see if you follow it up, it is way taller than I am. It is probably about 6 feet, 7 feet tall. So I like to cut my raspberry canes back to be about 4 feet so they're a bit more manageable. So then I come right here and right above one of the buds, I'll just make a little cut right there. And then that way they're much more manageable size. If you come over here, these are the ones that I did earlier. So you can see all the pruning I did earlier, all the deadwood and all the excess canes in height I got rid of. So all that is left here is with the second year growth, which is what is going to produce the raspberries on. So what I also would like to do is, now that I have all these cut back to about 4 feet, I'm now going to clear all this old leaves there and clear out the grass. And then I like to put a little bit, a layer of compost for some more nutrients right at the base here to help the plants out. Another thing with raspberries is they do need lots of water. So I do water them on a drip line and on a timer, so they get all the nutrients that they need. And with all my raspberries over here, I typically get about 5 extra large freezer bags full of raspberries, and that's on top of what we pick on a daily basis. So I have all these to prune here. So if you come over here, then you'll see these tiny little canes right here. These are the ones that I'm going to be transferring over to another spot, as these will not be producing raspberries this year. They're going to be producing raspberries next year. And I got a wee little problem here. I have 3 blueberry bushes in here, and as you can see, the raspberries last year took over my blueberries. So this blueberry bush right here, there's another blueberry bush right there, and another one right here, but they're surrounded by raspberries. So I'm going to be moving a lot of these raspberries over to another spot once I prune out a lot of these.
There you go. It's just as simple as that. That is how I prune my summer bearing raspberries for a better harvest for the season. If this video has helped you and you would like to see more gardening tips like this, please feel free and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and like always, thank you for watching.